What's going on, guys? Welcome along to another video. Today's a little bit different. Today is a bit more of a vloggy style byway on the BMW GS 1250. Not tried one of these, we'll see how it goes. I am in the area of Salisbury. Got some food, got some drink. Let's get on to it. First thing I am going to do is I'm going to put my rider mode into Enduro Pro. Main thing when coming to these kind of areas is always go down byways. Don't just go down pedestrian footpaths, bridleways, because then people get funny, they get moany, and then they shut down more byways even though we're not using the byways. I'd love to have a second lighter enduro road legal bike, but like many people I can't afford two bikes. This is why I've got the GS, so I can do all types of riding, road, tour, byways, you name it, this thing can handle it. So your bridleways to the left, not going to go that way. Byways are this way. You don't want to be going absolute hell for leather down these areas, because even though you are scanning ahead, sometimes you can't see the potholes. Can't see the divots or the rocks, so you need to make sure you're still going slow enough that you can get round them in time. I like second gear, so I've still got a bit of engine braking, but first gear is going to be a bit too choppy. Third isn't going to give me the engine braking I want. Actually, pedestrians, dogs, need to keep an eye out for them. Gave him plenty of time to see me, slowed down, let him get hold of his dogs, go past nice and gentle. Oh. Certain areas you will find a lot of gates. Number one rule for a gate: if it's shut when you get up to it, close it. Close it after yourself. It's the problem when you're doing this solo, you got to do every gate yourself. Make some friends with enduro bikes. Clearly not many people have been down here. Very overgrown this time of year. Going to farmers' fields either, they don't like it. Because I am riding solo today, I'll be taking it a little bit easy. I don't want to get myself into a situation that I can't get out of. Get onto the old maps, see where I'm going next. This is what you'll find with byways, is you'll do a little bit and then you need to stop, go onto a road, kind of road ride round to the next bit and then do a little bit. It's quite difficult in the UK, well, south of England, west of England, to find byways that all link up nicely and flow. So something to get used to. Don't forget, when you are back on the road, take it out of Enduro Pro. I tell you what, does anyone else think that when someone has a sit-on lawnmower, they've made it? Whether it be because their house and garden's big enough that they need it, or just financially that they can afford a sit-on lawnmower. That's what I think. So I'm keeping an eye out for any more byway signs. Like I said, don't just go up any dirt tracks just because it looks off-road. Doesn't mean it's in bounds. Guys, let me know in the comments box below, what do you use to A, find byways or green lanes, and then B, track them, i.e. sat nav, some GPS tracker. What is it you use? So there was another byway on the right. Salisbury is riddled with them, you've just got to find them. I know there's another one up on the left which I want to go down. Hopefully that cloud doesn't open up, because I would like to stay dry today, please. Once again, I am wearing my mesh jacket. I always seem to get rained on when I'm wearing my mesh jacket. This is the one. See the byway signs on the left. Open to all traffic. Back into Enduro. And we're away. Don't want to forget, I ain't the only person out here. Onboard boys doing their thing. Not a lot. Hey! Almost dropped it. These tyres are definitely a little bit too slick, road orientated for this wet mud. So this is where I pulled over, A, for a spot of lunch, and B, I was filming part of my top 10 travel tips. I like to get out and about. I like to do a bit of off-roading as and when I can. It's been dry for a few days. I love riding this bike. But that is it. Time to get back out onto these muddy roads. Right now I haven't got a clue where I am. That's half the fun though, isn't it? Gonna wash the bike down a bit anyway. So why not? So I think if I go down this way, I think I do, it takes me towards home. Oh, what a day. Another day, hopefully another 2 videos filmed. Can you lot let me know in the comments box below what tyres you would recommend? This is the type of off-road I'll be doing. Kind of like, yeah, fire brake tracks through Salisbury, sometimes a little bit of mud, nothing too gnarly, but a strong amount on road. Probably like 70-30, 80-20 tyres. Miss the big divots, yes please. Can tell the old armoured lot have been through here, and can tell it's been raining. Just trying to find a route so we don't get too wet. This'll do. I was here only a few weeks ago and it definitely wasn't as rutty as this. Hey, wait, we'll be fine. There's a section of whoops up here. Hopefully they're not filled with water. Around the big puddle, yes please, yes please. So up here is the whoops I'm on about. That whole thing is absolutely caked in water. It happened. She's down. Hey. I think we're good. Hey. We're back out. So these are the whoops. Luckily these aren't filled with water. We only had a little off. Bound to happen when you put yourself in these situations. What it was on a deep rut on the right hand side, and I want to move over to the middle, and my front went up, but my back just couldn't make it, so then just slid out. When you haven't got enduro boots on and water goes up them, the only thing you can do is put it up on the on top of the engine. Whoop, daddy, whoop, daddy, whoop. When you've got a light enduro bike, you can do little wheelies over these. But when you've got a 280 kilo bike, all you can do is little bunny hops over them. Good times. Good times. Well guys, I'm going to finish the video here because clearly I have to do some filtering to get through this traffic. A little bit different to my usual kind of riding reviews, but if you did like this video, hit the like button. More importantly, subscribe. More stupid things like that coming. I don't know when, but until the next one, ride safe.